What's going on over
What's
there?
going on over here?
What's going on? Anything I should be aware of?
Look twice.
Anything
What's going on over
need
there?
to know?
What's going on? I'm gonna sniff Izzy's butt.
Oh, is that what he's doing?
I don't know. He's sniffing around your butt area.
Alright, I'm here with Liz, but I still don't know where we're going, so...
This is for you.
Cat ears?
What
is this? What does this mean?
We are going to a cat cafe.
What are we gonna drink, kittens?
Oh my God!
No, there's gonna be kitties while we drink tea and stuff and coffee. We're gonna play with cats.
You know I don't
Better
really
off-
like cats, right?
Today we're gonna change her mind and she's gonna fall in love with these cats. That's the goal.
Okay.
Let's go.
The things I do for friendship. Cat
Oh
ears?
my gosh, we're going in here. Yes. This place is awesome!
We have 13 cats in the space today. The girls want pink bow tie. We're trying to play with any who are taking a cat nap. And the last one is don't steal cats, but they're all available for adoption. You guys have questions about it? Don't wake up the sleeping ones. Please still snuggle up with them and pet them.
Look, I'm petting one.
Please still snuggle up with them and pet them.
Oh, this one's really cute.
Oh.
No, it's just playful.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Should get you. Maybe play with a different one.
Please still snuggle up with them and pet them.
I'm only being proven right here. Look at this. Look at what they did. I'm hungry. Do you think I can eat one of them? No one dominates this. I'm sorry, I won't mess with you anymore. Get out of here.
I'm still standing better than I ever did.
That one over there is really sweet.
That one?
Yeah.
Please still snuggle up with them and pet them. Pet them. Pet them.
That one? That one?
Please still snuggle up with them and pet them.
See, it's not so bad. She's just cleaning herself.
The cat only has one eye. Oh! Did you see that? Instant recap. The black and white kitty went ahead and smacked the little gray kitty in the face. I don't know what beef they had earlier, but that didn't look very pretty to me.
Yeah, get it.
Poor Liz. She thought she was going to be the one running the show, but cats don't like her.
Hi. This one's sweet.
I found the cutest little kitty. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. I don't think anyone's gonna adopt that one.
Yeah, see if you can fool it into thinking you're a cat. I don't think he's buying this. She's not buying it. She's not buying it.
flawless victory.
She just looks so evil.
Ugh, what a bore. I can't be bothered to play with any of the other cats.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Oh, what? Never mind.
Hey, what you doing over there? Ooh, yeah, just stretch it out, a little relax. The pink bane of my existence. I've captured you. Don't try to get away. I'm watching you. I've got my eye. Oh, what did you say about me? I'm still watching you.
What's going on over
What's
there?
going on over here?
What's going on? Anything I should be aware of?
Look twice.
Anything
What's going
I
on
need
over
to
there?
know?
What's going on? I'm gonna sniff Izzy's butt.
Oh, is that what he's doing?
I don't know. He's sniffing around your butt area.
Oh, are you done? Okay, I'm sorry.
That was a meow-tastic day. Liz, that literally made no sense whatsoever. Meow-rific. Meow, be quiet. I'm glad you guys watched the video. I hope you liked it more than I like these cats.
She liked him a little bit though. I caught her petting a few of them.
They're cute. They're cute until they are evil and they want to rip your phalanges off.
What did you learn today?
I learned that you can adopt all of the cats. You can adopt them from here. And it's great because that way they don't go to ugly shelters.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and
And let us know if you want us to go somewhere else.
yes,
That would be perfect.
see, that worked.
Bye everyone.
Bye.